Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
When building an online store, seeking out Shopify website examples is the key to unlocking your e-commerce potential. Websites like Away That Day, Supplement Needs, and Warehouse Clearance Outlet showcase the versatility and scalability of the platform. Just think of Shopify as your e-commerce empire's architect and contractor. It provides the tools and resources to quickly design and launch your online store with a few clicks, drags, and drops. But it's not just about the design. Shopify also provides tools to help you run and grow your online business. From payment processing and inventory management to SEO and marketing tools, Shopify has got you covered. And the best part, you don't need any technical know-how to start. Find out for yourself today.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.